At least 4 people have died as a major winter storm moves across the southern plains now. Snow and ice have caused hundreds of accidents. Omar Villafranca is in Oklahoma tonight.
Freezing rain and snowfall have created treacherous travel conditions across the South. Government buildings and schools shut down as a winter storm warning is in effect through tomorrow. In Oklahoma, at least 4 people died in weather-related crashes. Slick roads caused a 21-car pileup in Tulsa last night that sent at least 2 people to the hospital. And in Wichita Falls, Texas, icy roads caused cars to veer out of control and flip over. Up to 6 inches of snow has fallen in Shamrock, Texas, making some roads too dangerous to navigate. One Good Samaritan pulled a vehicle out of a ditch and almost caused another accident. Officials are urging people to stay off the roads. Tracy Terrell with the Oklahoma Department of Transportation says his crew started spreading salt on the roads on New Year's Day in preparation for the storm.
How quick do the conditions change? If somebody thinks, I already drove that road, I'm okay.
In the beginning of storms where there's spotty showers, they can change pretty quickly, within a half a mile or a mile.
That quick?
Yeah.
More than 4 inches of snow fell here in Lawton, Oklahoma, and the state has about 220,000 tons of salt mix that they're ready to deploy, but doesn't look like they're going to need to use it all because this storm is headed towards the northeast later this week. Jeff?
All right, Omar, thank you very much.